Too black, too black, too strong, too strong, too strong, too strong, too strong.
Get this. Oh, okay then. Replacing you Negroes. It's gonna wait for the basket to move. Let's watch this. Man, you ever seen this before? That thing gonna wait for you to move, man. I'm gonna watch this. Watch. It came right there and just sat still. Man, if this thing crank up and go up that aisle. Yeah, it went up 2 aisles by itself. Already. Man. I told these Negroes they better get ready. Better start farming around here. They're getting rid of jobs. For my podcast, man.
I take it to one of them poles and scan it. Then I teach you the route. And remember the route, so all I gotta do next time is take the pole and scan it again and put run route. And they're gonna run and do everything I did.
So you take it to the little machine over here and program it to go up and down every aisle.
Yeah.
And it took the place of 2 men.
Yeah.
And it been here how long?
3 months.
Man, listen. If this don't teach y'all, you better start farming or, becoming independent, man. Do something, man. Cause y'all see, man, this Walmart employee just told me what it do, man. Y'all saw it in action. Y'all saw this in action, man, right here in Jackson, Mississippi. I'm gonna be back at y'all, man. Too black, too strong, mega black.
Too black, too black, too strong, too strong.